Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. We are absolutely thrilled to have you here with us today. In this exciting episode, we're embarking on an enlightening journey into the rich and profound depths of an ancient philosophy that has not only withstood the relentless march of time, but is also creating significant ripples in our modern world, Stoicism. Over the next 5 minutes, we'll dive deeply into the essence of Stoicism, explore its fundamental principles, and discuss why this timeless wisdom is more relevant today than ever before. So, without further ado, let's jump right in and uncover the treasures of Stoic thought together. To kick things off, let's address the all-important question: what exactly is Stoicism? This remarkable school of thought, founded in ancient Greece around the 3rd century BC, it was initially developed by the philosopher Zeno of Citium and later brought to greater prominence by renowned Roman thinkers such as Seneca, Epictetus, and the philosopher, Emperor Marcus Aurelius. At its very heart, Stoicism teaches us how to lead a life characterized by virtue, wisdom, and resilience. The philosophy emphasizes the importance of honing our focus on what we can control while cultivating the acceptance of what lies beyond our influence. This approach not only offers clarity, but also equips us with the tools to navigate life's tumultuous waters with grace and poise. Now, picture this scenario. You find yourself in a high-pressure situation. Perhaps it relates to your job, a personal matter, or even a challenging relationship. Stoicism encourages you to draw a clear and distinct line between what is within your control, namely your thoughts, actions, and reaction, and what is not, such as the opinions of others, the unpredictability of nature, or the mistakes of the past. By adopting this empowering mindset, you can significantly alleviate anxiety and foster a sense of inner tranquility, allowing you to approach challenges with a calm and collected spirit. Now, let's unpack some of the core principles that form the bedrock of Stoicism. These foundational ideas are not only intellectually stimulating, but also incredibly practical in our everyday lives. First and foremost, virtue is considered the highest good in Stoicism. For Stoics, to live a virtuous life means to act with wisdom, courage, justice, and temperance. It's about striving to be the best version of yourself, regardless of the external circumstances that may surround you. Virtue is the compass that guides our actions and decisions, steering us toward a life of integrity and moral clarity. This principle encourages us to reflect on our values and ensures that our choices align with our highest ideal. Next, we have the dichotomy of control. This fundamental principle instructs us to devote our energy to the aspects of our lives that we can influence while letting go of those we cannot change. Worrying about things that lie outside our control only leads to unnecessary frustration and stress. So by focusing on what we can do, we empower ourselves to take action and make meaningful changes in our lives. This distinction is crucial for maintaining our peace of mind in a world that often feels chaotic and unpredictable. Another intriguing concept within Stoicism is known as negative visualization. Stoics practice the technique of imagining the loss of things they hold dear, whether it be relationships, health, or material possessions. This practice is not intended to promote a morbid outlook. Rather, it serves to enhance our appreciation for what we currently have and to prepare ourselves mentally for the inevitable changes that life brings. By contemplating the impermanence of life, we cultivate gratitude and resilience, allowing us to cherish our experiences more deeply and face adversity with a stronger mindset. So why should you take an interest in Stoicism in our fast-paced, often chaotic world? Here are 3 compelling reasons that highlight its relevance. First on the list is mental resilience. In an era filled with uncertainty and stress, Stoicism provides us with invaluable tools to cultivate a strong and resilient mindset. It equips us to navigate life's challenges with grace and composure, no matter how tumultuous the circumstances may be. With Stoic principle, we can learn to bounce back from setbacks, maintain our equanimity, and face difficulties with an unwavering spirit. Secondly, let's talk about emotional regulation. Stoicism teaches us the importance of understanding our emotions rather than allowing them to dictate our actions. This understanding leads to healthier relationships and more informed decision-making as we become more adept at responding thoughtfully rather than reacting impulsively. By mastering our emotional landscape, we can create a more harmonious existence, both within ourselves and with those around us. And lastly, we have the principle of focusing on the present moment. Stoicism encourages us to fully immerse ourselves in our current experiences and appreciate the richness of each moment. In a world overflowing with distraction, this practice can be truly transformative, helping us to cultivate mindfulness and a deeper connection to our lives. By living in the present, we can experience life more fully and enrich our daily interactions. In conclusion, Stoicism is not merely an ancient philosophy. It serves as a practical guide for navigating the complexities of modern life. By embracing its principles, we can cultivate resilience, gain clarity, and develop a deeper appreciation for the life we live. So why not give it a try and see how it can enrich your life and help you thrive in today's world? Thank you so much for joining us today. If you found this video enlightening, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more philosophical insights, and don't hesitate to share your thoughts and experiences with Stoicism in the comments below. We absolutely love hearing from you. Until next time, stay wise and keep striving for virtue.